Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today we'll be doing keyword index. So what is keyword index? Keyword index is a list of important words or terms, mainly keywords, extracted from a document along with page numbers. It helps users quickly locate relevant information without scanning the entire content. Guys, on the test, you will find a question that says keywords index 5 entries. They will give you an article, a small article maybe of 10 pages or 5 pages. So you have to go and locate every keyword that you see. And on your right hand side, you must write the page numbers. First, when you see this question, you must go to the article, find the keywords. Then identify their page numbers. Then arrange them in alphabetical order. For example, when you get an article, you'll write 1 until 5. Then you see that, okay, on page 1, there is academic libraries. You identify it as as a keyword. So you'll start by saying academic libraries, number 1, page 1. Number 2, you find that, okay, on page 1 and 3, when you're reading, you saw libraries. And library can be identified as a keyword. You write number 2, libraries. Number 3, machine reading catalog. You see it when you are reading on page 4 and 5, you see machine reading catalog. You write it down. On number 4, OPEC. On number 5, RDA. On your right hand side, don't forget, you write your page numbers, PAGE, and then you write your numbers from them. Don't forget, they must be in alphabetical order. And a keyword index are words, important words that are extracted from the documents or articles. So as we continue, guys, what is subject index? Subject index is a structured list of topics, mainly subject, covered in a document or book along with page numbers. Subject index uses CS list, and it is different from keyword index because it groups related concepts under broader heading. On subject index, we use the C and the C also. The X for broader term and the XX for related term. Guys, when you find the question on a test saying subject index 5 entries, you have to know that you have to identify 5 subject index. Inside of it, you must have the broader term and the related term. All of them, you have to confirm them on CS list. For example, you will find the subject as cataloging, and then on your right hand side, you must write the page number for that cataloging as a subject. And don't forget the important thing, you must write them in alphabetical order. First, your first subject you will get, maybe it is cataloging on an article. Okay, you have to go to CS list and check if that cataloging has a broader term. The broader term is identified as an X. The related term is identified as an XX. Mainly the subject, you identify it from page 1. When you read on page 1, you will get your first subject. Then you go with it to CS list. Then it will lead you to a broader term that you see that, okay, cataloging. Cataloging, the broader term of it can be cataloging or cataloger, something like that. Their related term can be what? Cataloging of music. You can see it's more related to cataloging, but of something. First of all, you have to find the subject, you have to confirm on CS list, identify the page numbers, then arrange them alphabetically. Thank you.